So this is 24-hour clock today,
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
and is a starter. Can you spot all the numbers from the 6 times table, all the products from the 6 times table in that? Pause the video if you're watching this, or I'm going to move on. Right, here you go. This is where learning's at today. So this is 12-hour clock time. So you know the usual score. So in the morning, like you get into school about 8:55, and then we have break, and then you have lunch, and then it's like in the afternoon. You go home about 3:20. You know, those sort of things, and then you're obviously in bed by 7 o'clock. If you're looking at 12-hour clock time, it's the same in the morning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, and then it goes to that funny thing where it goes to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, up to 24. Straight away, what do you notice? What is the same? What is different about the 12 and 24-hour clock times? So in the main thing, like what's the same, you might notice in the morning, and what's different in the afternoon? How is it different? Now, you might, if I skim that bit, you might with someone be able to make up a little rule to how to remember, how to work out some of these, how to remember what they are. I'm not going to tell you one. You can come and think of it, and if you come up with one, you can let me know. Right, I'm going to move on to this. Obviously, this is a little video that you could watch on the Google slide that will explain all about the 24-hour clock in more detail. I'm going to whiz through an explanation just to recap what it says in there, but I would recommend going on the Google slides and watching that as well. We've got this one here, use a 24-hour clock times in digital format. What would these times be? So 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's not 1, it's going to be, come on pen. It's going to be 13. 100, I'm sure you've seen all that. So 9 o'clock in the morning. Now this is the tricky bit that you would have learned in the video. It's not just 9 when you're doing the 24-hour clock. To avoid anyone getting confused, you always do put the 0 placeholder in first. I am sorry about that rubbish drawing there. I will endeavour to do better. Now this is 12 o'clock in the middle of the night. Now this is a tricky one. So it is in the daytime, you're going along and it's like time to come to school, it's lunchtime, 12 o'clock for lunchtime. But in the middle of the night, this is a tricky one. Now, does it go to 24? No, what it does is it will start off back at 0, and it will basically be 0, 0. I never really thought about it. They call it a 24-hour clock, but actually it should be 23 and 59-minute clock. And 7:30 in the evening. 7:30 in the evening, so it's not going to be 7, it's going to be 19. And sometimes people will say 1900 hours. If you watch an American TV program. And then finally 11:15 p.m. In the afternoon, in the evening, so 11:15 at night. So we've got to think about that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. So that's going to be 23. And then it's not on the hour because it's 15, which means it's 15. Right. Well done if you got all those right. If you didn't, go back and watch that video and it'll explain more. I'm going to crack on, just explain the task for today. Didn't delete them. There you go. So here's the morning AM. And you've got some analog clock faces, and you're going to convert these clocks. So straight away, in a 24-hour clock, we can see that it's 0, 5, 0, 0, and in this one, it is 9 o'clock in the morning, and boom, there we go. So that is what it's going to look like in the morning, whereas the same analog clock face, if it was in the evening, you'd write it differently. I mean, you just know it's the evening because it'd be getting dark. So I think I'm explaining that bit. Using that thing from before, I know that it'd be 1700 There you go. And this one, 9 o'clock. Well done if you got this right. What I would recommend when you're doing this next challenge as well is, like always, you have a little cheat sheet. I'm going to nip back a slide now, and maybe jot this down somewhere to help you, or work out, like I said before, work out a way to remember it, and then it'll help you with working out some of these. So in this one, this is the challenge for today. You've got a nice easy one and a slightly more difficult one, but it's pretty straightforward. You first write down in digital format what these are for the morning. So we can see here, a bit trickier, it's not quite 1 o'clock, it is 1:45, it is 12:45. So 12:45 in the morning, that's actually fairly tricky, because it's not the obvious one you think, because it's first thing in the morning. If we think back to the diagram there, bosh, and then we've got this one, it's 1, 2, 3, and it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 past 3, 3:20. This one here is 8, but it's not bang on 8, it's 5 past 8, it's 5 past 8. And this one is 7:15, so 7:15. Now, I've been telling you those times, now you've got to think what it's going to look like for 24 o'clock in the evening. So if it's in the afternoon there, or if it's 7 o'clock in the evening, what is that going to look like? And then do the same for them. Now, have fun doing them. If you want some more challenges, here's a challenge slide. It's got challenge slides 1, 2, 3, 4. Drew on some clocks for you there. And 5. Oh no, wait, there's another one. Wait, there's more. 6. There's a lot of challenges there if you're interested. But the main thing you have to do is converting those clocks. Have fun. See you later.